that's where my leak at. I just went to the Petro to get a DOT inspection. He told me I got an air leak, so he not gonna pass it. I could go fix the air leak and come back. But he told me the leak was coming from up here. But now I'm underneath here checking the truck out. I see that the leak coming from right here. Look, when I spray this down, and nothing bubbling up, so that's not where the leak coming from. But if I spray this, you see it's bubbling up. It's bubbling up right here. So that's my leak. I'm going to fix that and go back and get the inspection. So once the air leak out, what I'm going to do is take these lines off. And these are quick connect. You're supposed to push them in and the line pull out like that. Same thing for the one up top. Just push it down and the line's supposed to pull out. I gotta put the phone down so I could do it. Alright, now I got that out. Just take this off. I think that's all I need to change right there. So I'm gonna go in there, get the right one. I'm at the dealer. I'm in the dealer parking lot doing it. Cause they asked me what size this was and I wasn't sure, so I just came out here to take it off. I'm gonna take it back in there and get one. So this is the old part that was leaking. And this is the new one. This was $27. So I gotta go under there now, put the new one on. And then I'll head back over there, get my inspection. So this go right here. It go in here. The top hose go in the top right here. This hose right here go in here. And all you do is just push it in. You don't need no tools to do this repair right here. That's all it is. Now I'm going to start it up, build the air up, check for leaks. Once I have no leaks, I'm good. Now, this what the Petro told me that was leaking. And that's not what was the problem. But that's how them shops get you. If you don't know what you're doing, in this situation, you would have went ahead and changed that, and you'll still have the same problem. And they wouldn't refund you for that. You'll still have to end up and replace this over here. So you'd have spent unnecessary money to buy that valve right there. And I'm pretty sure that valve is expensive.